Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the Google Slides app and signing in. Once done, tap the plus icon to create or open a file so you don't lose time. Select a theme to set consistent fonts and colors, and pick slide size and orientation to match your final display. You're starting with structure, which speeds up later edits. Make sure to allow offline access if you'll work without internet. This prevents sync conflicts later and keeps autosave functional. Now you add and refine content. Tap any text box to edit and use the formatting toolbar to change font, size, color, and alignment so text reads well on small screens. Insert images or charts from device or drive, then use arrange and order to layer elements precisely. Duplicate slides for consistent sections and use speaker notes for cues. Once your layout is set, make micro adjustments with pinch to zoom. Precise spacing matters for legibility when viewers are on phones. Finish by running present mode to confirm transitions, timings, and that images render correctly. You want a smooth flow. Share using the share button and choose link access or export as PPTX or PDF for other apps, and make sure permissions are set to edit or view as needed. If something goes wrong, like sync failures, toggle offline mode, then force a sync in settings. This usually resolves conflicts and uploads pending changes, so your final file is current.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.